guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace the mirror seal, and also how to take this one out from the car. So it's just a simple procedure, guys. So you only need a flathead Phillips, one flathead Phillips, and then you'll be good to. Alright guys, in this video we're going to take it's a 2004, it's an ML350. So we're going to take out this the side mirror. So what we do, we come right inside here, guys. You can see inside there's a clip right there, guys. It's inside there. I don't know if you can see it from here. You push it inside. Once you do that, once you push that, guys, you can pull out the head unit. Now once you do that, guys, you'll be able to. So guys, once you do that, you pull like that, it unlocks from there. There's a clip right in there, guys. That clip, just let it unlock from there, and then you let it pull slowly. So guys, when you're here, what you do is you come right here, and then you press this thing inside. You press this thing inside, guys. Once you do that, once you press it all in, then you pull this thing outside. You do that, guys, you push it all the way, and then you pull it like that. It comes out. Well, this comes out, guys. If you want to change this, you make sure all the connection is okay. Make sure all the connection right there is okay, and then from there, guys, you're gonna twist like this. You see right there. So we have like one right there, and then we have one over there, and then we have a one down right there. So once that is done, guys, you take them out, and then you should be good to go. Should be out. To put it back, guys, you do the same. Put in the things like that, you align it, make sure everybody goes to where it's supposed to be. Make sure all these connectors are in, then make sure it snaps in like that, so it just locks in so well, it sits so nicely. So you're good to go. You're good to go, guys, and you'll see the lock has locked here. So